Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. This series includes only medium difficulty data problems, and today's challenge is to find product price at a given date. We have a table called products with the product ID, the new price and the change date, and we need to write a solution to find the prices of all products on the date of 16th of August in 2019. Initially, all products have price 10. So we need to display all products. Those that had a price change on or before the specific date, we need to display with their most recent price change. Those that only had price change after the specific date, they should be displayed with the initial price. In SQL, we write a select statement, and we will use the window function. But first we want to display the product ID, new price, and for the third column change date, we will use the raw number window function. In this function, we partition the IDs and each group of IDs will be ordered by its change date in the descending order. This column will be called the row number, which means that you have a group of IDs and each row within this group is calculated. The row with the earliest date will have the value 1. The next row will be calculated subsequently. With this select statement, we will calculate the latest price change on or before our target date. So we need to filter for the target date. So the change date is smaller or equals to 2019-08-16. This is our common table expression. Let's save it into the CTE, which will serve us as a temporary table. A CTE always starts with the keyword with. After the with, we write the name of the CTE. It can be any name. I will use the latest prices. And the table itself goes inside the parentheses. This is our CTE, and we can use it as a normal table within our query. Now we need to join the CTE together with the products table in order to display all products. We write a select statement. We need the distinct product IDs. Instead of writing select from products, we will select from the subquery, where we will choose distinct product IDs. Now we left join with our latest prices. Our products table, in this case in the subquery, has only one column. So we will join these two tables on product ID. Our CTE also has the column product ID. And the second condition that we join these two tables is the raw number that equals to 1. This CTE displays duplicate products. The column row number indicates the number of each row in a group of products. We are interested in the latest change, which means the first row in a group should be the latest change of the price for the specific product. Therefore, if we filter to only the first row, we will join the products on their latest price change, eliminating all the duplicates. In the select statement, we need two columns. The first column is product ID, and the second column is the price. We take the price from the CTE table. However, the CTE table has only products that had a price change before or on the specific date. The value of the prices that had a change after the specific date or never had any change will not appear in the CTE table, and therefore the value will be null. According to the requirements, those products have initial price 10, which should be displayed as well in the query. We use the function COALESCE in SQL, which literally says, give me the price from the CTE, but if it is null, use the price indicated after the comma. Let's run the query. And we successfully solved this problem in SQL. Now let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we'll use a similar logic. First, we need to find a unique list of all products to ensure none are dropped. We create a Pandas data frame with only one column, and the header or the name of the column will be product ID. And the values under that column will be a list of unique product IDs from the table. This will be our unique products data frame. Now we filter for changes on or before the target date. We take the data frame products, and our change date should be smaller or equal to the target date. This is our new data set, which we will call changes. This data set includes products that were changed on or before the target date. Now we need to do similar to what we did in the SQL solution with the raw number function. We need to sort by date and then drop duplicates to keep only the latest change date. We take our dataset changes and we sort the values. We will sort it by change date. That's what we did in the window function raw number with order by in descending order. And we use the function drop duplicates. We indicate this subset. This is equal to the partition that we did in the SQL solution. And our subset or our partition back then was product ID. And we keep the last row. This is our new data set, which we will call latest changes. Now we merge our data frame of unique products together with the dataset latest changes. We use the pandas function merge, and we indicate which two data frames we are merging. So from latest changes, we need only two columns, just to simplify it. We take the product ID and we take the column new prices. And we say that we are merging these two data sets on product ID column using the merge type left. And this will be our result. Before we return the result, we want to fill any missing values, which are products with no changes before the date, with the default 10. So this is what we did in SQL with COALESCE function. We take our result dataset, we use the column new price, and with the function fillna, we fill null values with the number 10. Instead of renaming new price column to price as it's requested, we just create a new column. And now we are ready to return the result. We return two columns, product ID and price. Now let's run the code. And we successfully solved this problem in Python Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? Creating a CTE table together with raw number window function in SQL, or creating a Pandas data frame using a range of different functions such as sort the values, drop duplicates, left merge in Python Pandas? Let me know in the comments.